We had a set where the bad ladies, the ones with the bulbous heads, came to look at the captain, our original captain, who was in this cage, this glass, invisible walled cage. We had a shot we thought would give us the immensity of this group of people, immensity of the space in which they existed. To get that shot, we had the captain and his tormentors in the ground, and some regular-size extras halfway back, and some small actors all the way back. By small, I mean midgets. And we had what was known as forced perspective, where we built the walls so that the walls would seem to get smaller and smaller as they went away from camera. And that was my great contribution to that pilot episode, which I don't think ever made it through the starting gate. We filmed it, but I think that's, to my knowledge, as my memory serves, we didn't use the shot. For whatever reason, I don't know.